Hello you all, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Sunday. I have a treat to show you here. Look at these delicious dates. They look like C's candies, candy bar. They look like Reese's and Snickers. Whichever you choose, child, it tastes just like the real deal, but a way healthier option. If you want to know how to make these, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Sunday. I pray all is well in your neck of the woods. As I come to you today, I am going to try this recipe. You all, I have a sweet tooth and I am trying to make better options when it comes to sugar. So I saw a video, many videos across the internet and on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, all over, even on Facebook. And I noticed that these dates were quite popular, and I said, you know what, I want to give it a try. Some people said they taste exactly like candy bars, like the Snicker candy bars. So Mom and I went and we tried it, and it tastes exactly like a Snicker candy bar. We were blown away. So I said, you know what, I'm going to share this with my YouTube family. So I'm going to show you what the ingredients are here. It's absolutely beautiful. The things that you can do with dates. You can bake cakes with them. You can do all kinds. And they have a lot of health benefits. I did not know that. They're very, very healthy. So we have the Medjool, I believe that's what it called, the organic pitted dates we got here from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to pick this up. So we got the Medjool dates, I believe that's what they call. I have organic coconut here because I'm going to put some in the inside and then also on top because I think it'll be pretty. We have some pistachios. We have pistachios here for those who want pistachios in the inside and on top, which is really pretty. You can use any nut butter. We have the Lord Shutters peanut butter. You can go to Whole Foods, and if you want a healthier option, you can crush your peanuts. You squeeze your peanuts right there and it comes right out. I didn't have time to do that this time, so we went to the old Lord Scudder, and if you all can look, it has really good ingredients, clean ingredients in there. So that's why we chose her, and we have to mix that all together. I did get the crunchy because I like the crunchy peanuts. That's just me, crunchy peanut butter. We have walnuts because we're going to add the walnuts in the inside. You could put peanuts, but I'm doing peanut and walnut, and some with pistachio. We have dark chocolate here, okay? And then we also have semi-sweet chocolate. Now you can use milk chocolate too if you like. And I was so happy, you all. I went to World Market the other day, and look what I found. These are dark chocolate, 72%, made with coconut sugar. I know, right? It's keto and paleo, or whatever you want to call that. And I was so excited about that because we want a better sugar option. So this is my first time trying this, so we're gonna go ahead on and use that with this. That's all you need, y'all. And just get your knife, cut it open, and you got your little spatula so you can put your peanut butter and utilize that to fill the inside. Now I do use it is easier to use like a little piping bag, or if you have a little squeeze bottle, you can put the peanut butter. It'll be easier to do that too as well, but I don't have time today, so I'm just going to go ahead on and use a spatula. But you are going to need a parchment or some kind of container, depending on how many you're making, with parchment paper so that you can put it in the freezer, and whenever you remove it from the parchment paper, it comes right off, you all. It is easy removal and it makes our life more easier. So this is what I'm going to use to melt the chocolate. You can do a double boiler, or you can put the chocolate in and add a little bit of oil, and it will melt nicely so that you can go ahead on and dip and get things going. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get the chocolates melted, and then when you guys come back, I'm gonna show you how to open up the date and just make sure nothing's in there, and remove whatever's in the inside. I think these don't have seeds in them, but just to double check, you know, you want to double check your fruit. But then also just gonna put some avocado oil, child, with the chocolate, and we're gonna get the dipping. Okay, so y'all stay tuned. All right, you all, so let's get this open so you can see what the dates look like. They are so pretty. Look how beautiful these dates are. Oh, they're so pretty. So, oh, nice and soft. So I'm going to take each date out. I'm going to go ahead on and line them up. So let me do this really quick, and then we'll open them a few so that you can see how that's gonna go. All right, you all, so they are absolutely beautiful. So look how nice and just soft. They're very soft. So we're just gonna go in. You don't wanna go all the way through because you will cut to the other end. All right, and you just wanna go in and just make sure this doesn't have much of the white stuff. So I think this one's okay. You wanna feel around, make sure there's no little bugs in there. All right, so that one's okay. So then we're gonna go to the next one. Cut that one. You want a sharp knife, y'all. All right, so the inside is okay. Okay, so that one's fine. I'm gonna go through the rest of these, and then we're gonna fill them with peanut butter, so you all stay tuned. All right, you all, that is the coconut. And we're gonna add some avocado oil to that so they can get nice and creamy. All right, so stay tuned. This is the semi-sweet chocolate. We're almost there. So let me taste one of these coconut chocolates to see what they're. It's so good. It's nicely sweet. Love, love, love. I'm a fan. All right, y'all, we have some nuts here, and we have our dates and our peanut butter. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna have mommy hold that. I'm gonna show you me do a few of these so that you'll know what to do when you decide. Now remember, a piping bag is probably the best option for this. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna take that, get that peanut butter, fill that inside with the peanut butter. And you can put peanuts in here or whatever kind of nut. I'm using walnut. You can even do like whatever little crushed walnuts you have. Okay. Go ahead on and close that. Get a toothpick and stick that right through. And there you go. If you want to wear gloves because you're like, oh, I want to, okay, for those of you who want to wear gloves, you can wear gloves. All right, so we're gonna do a couple of more. Hold on. That one. Go ahead. This is a real nice big one. Like I said, you can put some nice cheese in here if you want to make it savory. I'm gonna add a little bit of pistachios in here. I don't know what pistachio tastes like with peanut butter. We're gonna taste it today. All right. Get that toothpick and run it right through there. And these are going to go in the freezer. So I'm gonna finish this up, put those in, and then we'll get ready to dip the chocolate. Okay, you all, so stay tuned. All right, you all, there we go. So right now, I'm just gonna dip it in the chocolate. I don't have time to put it in the freezer and wait. So these are the chocolates we have all ready to go. And mommy's gonna help me out. I have my nuts here and some coconut that I'm going to put on top. We have this here and this here. Let's move all these chocolates. Look at these different yummy, delicious chocolates. Okay, mommy, so hold this. All right, you all. So this is just as simple as ever. You take that and you just want to enrobe the date with the chocolate. And it's good to use the toothpicks. Shake off any excess chocolate, and then you go ahead on and put it down like that. I'll show you doing a few more. One of these is the coconut chocolate, which is, I'm going to that one next. Alright, go ahead on and put this on there. And if you want to make it really pretty, add a little pistachio on top of two pistachios. I think that's pretty. And then on another one, with my gourmet candy, you can stick a little piece of, look how pretty that looks, right? So pretty. And you can put some sea salt on some, y'all. So let's try a few more. Those toothpicks are really helpful to have, as you can see. Take that, get any excess chocolate, and bring it on over. Lay it down right there. One big chunk of walnut. So y'all see how that looks? Okay, so I'll do two more. Let's try this chocolate. This one has a little bit of milk chocolate with dark chocolate mixed with it still. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead on and just swirl it in there. Make sure everything is completely covered. And it is. Shake, shake, shake. And bring it on over here. And you're good to go. All right, y'all, so that is a beautiful date. We're gonna put them in the freezer and then I'll let you see after some hours what they look like and we'll do a taste test. Stay tuned. All right, ready for the freezer. I got these little containers from the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each, y'all. All right. All right, you guys, so they are done. I'm so excited. Joshua's gonna help me. All right, y'all. Make sure you pull the toothpicks out. Now you can, once you dip it, you can remove the toothpicks once you dip it. These would be so beautiful to give out during the holidays if they were gold foil and you can put, just be creative. I even think cinnamon will be delicious with this, you guys. But anyway, delicious mixed in with that. You can just be so creative. So let's taste one. I'm gonna let Mommy and Joshua taste one. Now, mind you, this is not milk chocolate. This is some semi and some, which one? One has coconut. You want that big one? So Joshua's going for this one. Y'all, look how, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. That looks so good. Okay. Mommy, you want to pick one out? Mommy's picking one. She's getting a coconut one. Mommy's trying a coconut one. So excited, you guys. And so I'm just, is it good? It's creamy? So Joshua says it's creamy. So I'm gonna go for this one, y'all. Look at it. Look at that. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Look, 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 look. Is it good, Mommy? Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That tastes like a Snicker.
You can also pass for a bit of Reese's.
This is a Snicker up and down. I don't know who came out with this recipe, who started it, where it came from. I've seen all kinds of everybody cooking this. And that middle part of the date is so chewy and caramelly, right? Mmm.
10 thumbs up.
I'm gonna eat one more, y'all. She's gonna try one. With the pistachio. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. The pistachio and the walnut in the inside. That's magical. It's fantastic. You guys have got to try it. You guys, please give this a try, especially if you are trying. It's Sunday, and that's why we were grubbing. I ate like 2.5. But you guys, give it a try, especially if you are diabetic or if you're trying to watch your sugar. There's so many benefits for dates. I'm gonna look this up really quick. I'm looking online. I know that they say it's really good for everybody, men, women, pregnant women. Dates are fruit cultivated from the date palm, okay, a plant native of the Middle East and North Africa. Dates have a natural sweetness and rich flavor that people often associate with dessert. Dates are nutritious fruit with potential benefits. Research has found that dates help support brain, digestive, and heart health. Dates are a source of antioxidants that may protect against disease and help ease natural labor. Here are 6 ways dates can protect your health and simple ways to incorporate the fruit into drinks, meals, snacks, and treats. You can literally add water and blend the dates together. You can put them in your smoothies. I have done that, just a couple. Through the week, I may have, like every other day, I may have a couple of dates. Like every other day. Mommy usually eats like 2-3 dates a day. Joshua too as well, without any chocolate or anything on. It's just the raw, just the plain date. But on the weekends, we like to add the dark chocolate with the peanut or the nut. It helps support heart health, you guys. Look it up for yourself. And y'all, I'm just in awe. I'm telling you, if you really want to be tricked, that literally tastes just like a Snicker. It literally tastes just like a Snicker.
That's what they
This is the one we're eating, and the one that they use more so for desserts or smoothies, or when people are doing something. Because some people, y'all, let me tell you, they cut the date open and smash it. Then they drizzle chocolate and they drizzle like some type of nut butter. And then they'll put it in the freezer and they're making like bark. So you don't have to do it the way I did it. You can even do it in a bark form. All right. They're perfect to give out for Christmas. I think if you want to do a healthy option, if you're doing a charcuterie board or anything like that, these are perfect to set out instead of going and get all that crazy candy. This is a better option, you guys. And then this one is the one we eat through the week. This is the Deglette more or Nor. Deglette Nor. Okay, so that is the one we eat through the week. That came from Costco. All right, you all. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing it with y'all. I hope those of you who are really wanting to make healthier options when it comes to, you may be a person that loves sweets like I do. We have to choose healthier options. They're putting so much stuff in these products, in these sweets and the things that we've been loving and enjoying for years. Y'all, we got to cut, especially as you get older, you got to cut those things out and be creative and find ways of eating healthier and making better choices when it comes to your sweets. Now, do you sit up and eat 5 and 6 of these? No. 1 to 2 on the weekend. I just tried a couple in front of y'all so that you can just see what the texture and everything looks like. But yes, do not binge even on this. It's still sugar, but it's all natural sugar. It's God-given sugar that's not all mixed up with all crazy stuff and dyes and things. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you. You all can come and check me out and see what is Shar doing today. These came from Trader Joe's again. I would try to find the price. I think they were like 6 something bucks. Okay. And then these, I believe they're like $13. We got these from Costco. They cost $6.48 for these at Trader Joe's. Let's all work together. You know, I would love some ideas from you all down below. What are your tricks? Those of you who have sweet tooth such as I do, what do you do to crave your sweet tooth? I'm seeing all kinds of Greek yogurt ideas where people are freezing strawberries and dipping them in dark chocolate, and some of them frozen with Greek yogurt and then they dip it. All kinds of delicious things. So I'm gonna try new things and I will show you guys when I try it and see how it works. All right, you all, and thank you so much. Have a beautiful week to come, and I'll see you soon. You all stay tuned for much more Journey with Shar. Please go and check out my other channel, Shar's Adventures TV. Show me some love over there and help me grow that channel too as well. All right, you all, bon appetit. All right, you guys, see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.